Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. And at either end of the spindle in this lathe, this is a 1940s Colchester, and either end of the spindle are two bronze bushings, and they're tapered, and this is a lock ring here. There's one there, there's one on the inside there, and you undo them and then you can pull the tapered bush. So I had a bit of slop in the spindle, so I tightened them bushes up. When I fired it up, tried to turn some parts, the spindle seized up. So, well, I just caught it before it nipped solid, but it were on its way to nipping and you could barely turn it. So I had to install these two oilers just to keep the bushings lubricated, and that stopped it nipping. So yeah, I just demonstrate that with an interrupted cut. Now it's probably the worst cut you can do with a lathe, and it would have no way managed that without these two oilers. So I'll demonstrate that now, guys, and then show you another project I'm working on. So yeah guys, that's made all the difference, that. Keeping these bushings lubricated, not relying on just what's in the gearbox too. There's like a little tray there. Well, that doesn't, it's not very effective. And also there's a bearing at the back here, of the back of the spindle, and that's virtually bone dry without this drip oiler. It didn't seem to get any oil, so that's going to, I did actually grease it, but it's not ideal. But this, that'll lubricate that thrust bearing as well. So yeah, that's a good little fix if you're running an old lathe like this, guys, to get the most out of the spindle. Well, to get anything out of it actually, because you want to be able to adjust it. And so I'll run it for a bit, and then I'll tighten it back up. I'll probably tighten it a bit more. That seems alright, that's alright. So hey guys, this project I'm midway through, which is fixed steady for the Colchester lathe. So that's going to look like that, because I need to turn some bucket pins on that, so I need a fixed steady. So that's what this is going to be. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.